Hello, good morning, everyone. So this example will help you find the area of a given region of a certain drawing. So first, open your SolidWorks, select a part. Select a top plane and then sketch. So from the sketch option, be sure that your units is in millimeter, gram, and second. So here, there is one option on top. Wherein you can set your units also, but here on the bottom right side of your screen, you can select MMGS here as millimeter, gram, seconds. And then let's start the given drawing. So for example, you have a given two-dimensional drawing. So let me give you an example. So let me construct one geometry. So this is composed of circles and lines. So once you complete the drawing, press the escape button on the keyboard. And let's give some dimensions. Let's give some dimensions of a drawing. So smart dimension. Let's say this line is 20. This line is 10. This horizontal line is 60. Let's give this line a 30 millimeters length. This vertical line to V, 50. Then you have the circle diameter. Let it be 30. And the other one is 60. Let's add more lines here from the top. So one vertical line, horizontal line, and one more vertical here. Press the escape button to terminate the line command. Again, line from this point up to this point. Press the escape button to terminate the command. And give some dimension. So smart dimension. This vertical line is also 50. So you can zoom in and zoom out the drawing using your mouse wheel button. So just roll it forward and backward. Okay. So this line will be 40. The distance from this point. So I'm selecting the point up to this point. Then we will give a distance of 18 millimeters. This line, let's say we can give us 80. And this line to be 76. This point up to this point, we can give a 38 millimeters length. or distance. Select this green check mark to exit from the Smart Dimension command. And we need to trim some of the lines and arcs here. So go for trim entities, select trim, use a power trim. So left mouse button, hold it, and just touch the line. Then it will be removed or deleted. So select this green check mark and remove the excess line. So how to delete a line? So again, select the line. You can press delete on the keyboard and it will delete excess line. So from here, you have a simple geometry wherein you have arcs, circles, and lines with a certain dimension. So once you complete this, you can exit the sketch by selecting this icon from the top right portion of your drawing area. Select this one, it will exit the sketch. Now from here, to make a three-dimensional drawing, we need to go on the features toolbar and we need to extrude some of the contours, regions, or parts on the drawing. So select extrude boss or extruded boss or base. Here on the last part, you have the selected contours. So you need to select a plane or contour. So by highlighting this one, just select this to select the contours, then select the inside part of your drawing. So select this part. So as you can see, it is highlighted with a different color. So all this region will be extruded. So at a certain thickness. So select this one. So you can assign, let's say 10 millimeters. So 10 millimeters extruded. Select this green check mark. And you have your 3D part created. So with the same drawing, we can extrude a different region with a different thickness. So again, extruded boss. Select the drawing. So from here, pull this down. So the sketch one. So select the sketch one. So from your sketch, again, selected contours. Select this window or box. Then select the portion you want to extrude. So for example, this triangle here, you can extrude at a different height, for example. So let's say 15. Press enter, then select this green check mark. So this portion here of the region is different from the other one. So we can find the area of these two regions by selecting the evaluate toolbar and measure. Okay, select the measure option. So this window will appear on your screen. Then you can just select the first area, for example. So once you select inside this region, it will give you the area. So the area will be 7,040 millimeters squared. So they will ask you to find the area of a given geometry or of a given region. So this is how you do it. So let's do it again on the other part. So again, go for evaluate, measure, select this region. It will find the area. So this area will become 1,667 millimeter squared. So that should be the area of the other region. Okay. So be sure that if you are finding the area of a given parts or region, be sure that the drawing or two-dimensional drawing is correct so that you can find the correct area. So double check your dimensions and the decimal places that is required. So to set the decimal places, just go to options, document properties, units, and set the corresponding units. So we find this area, area 1, and the second area will be the area 2. Okay. So this is how are you going to find the area of a certain geometry or region. Okay. So check the orientation, you can just go here on this option here. You can pull it down, and you can select top view, front view, isometric view. So this is one of the selection we're in. You can view it in a different orientation.